Your good name is?
Hemantharaju, sir.
What is your age?
71.
71. So, what you used to do earlier?
Earlier I was a bank officer.
Wonderful. Today is the 24th,
24.
December 2022.
Yes.
You tell me the experience of your IBS after taking the miracle drinks treatment protocol.
Sir, it is horrible situation. Just it's a miracle. I have come out of this IBS problem and I am feeling as good as I am earlier, 1.5 year back.
Wonderful. Great.
1.5 year since from 1.5 year I am suffering this IBS problem with dysentery. I underwent so many medical and allopathic and everything, even for this thing what you call it as gastro
Acid reflux.
Acidic reflux and everything. All examinations have been, all medications have been taken 1.5 year. My health has gone. I have gone down 14 kgs down.
Okay.
Now I am really happy after taking this medicine. I am feeling that as I was earlier 1.5 year back.
Wonderful. You are from which place?
I am from actually Davangere, from settled in Bangalore only. Bangalore only.
Once the person who is having IBS, they think that I have to suffer till end of our life.
Yes. That's
So now I wanted to say to the community that it is not so.
Yes, sir.
There is a solution in Ayurveda.
Ayurveda.
That's what new Ayurveda which
Yes, truly I
I have developed.
appreciate. This is a miracle. What I can say.
Wonderful. Thank you very much. Thank you.
ಹೃದ್ರೋಗ, ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ಕಾಯಿಲೆ, ವೆರಿಕೋಸ್ ವೇನ್ಸ್, ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್, ಗೈನ್ಯಾಕ್, ಲಿವರ್, ಕಿಡ್ನಿ, ಮೆದುಳು ಮುಂತಾದ 170ಕ್ಕೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಗಂಭೀರ ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಸಮಸ್ಯೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಈಗಿದೆ ನವ್ಯ ಆಯುರ್ವೇದದ ಪರಿಹಾರ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಮಾಹಿತಿಗಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದೆ ಕರೆ ನೀಡಿ. ಮಿರಕಲ್ ಡ್ರಿಂಕ್ಸ್. ಬಿ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಅಗೇನ್.